Okay, turn slow.
Yeah.
Go.
What, Daddy?
Oh, I'm gonna pass you up. Better hurry. Better get moving. Ah, careful. Scoot your butt up. Scoot your butt up on the seat. There.
Maybe we could pick flowers for Mommy on the way. Ah, there's one of my skin marks. There's one of my skin marks.
Yep. Make another one.
What?
Make another one.
How do I make another one?
You gotta get going fast and then make the pedals go the other way. Push the pedals the other way. There you go. That's how you do it.
Take a picture of the skid mark and go back to your video.
Go.
Oop. Yeah.
Serious? All right, come on.
Okay.
And go. Go, get moving. Go. You want to go all the way around? Okay, you got to get going fast to make it up this hill.
Baba!
Go. Get going fast. Gotta watch where you're going. Don't stop pedaling. Don't stop pedaling. Watch where you're going, dude.